In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 fundamental elements to my profitable smart money trading strategy that you can use and duplicate in your own trading. So let's get into it. Alright, so first off, we determine higher time frame market structure so we can trade alongside the trend. Then we determine liquidity. The liquidity we look for is we ask ourselves, where did liquidity get taken? Where did price build opposing liquidity to take? And what is our liquidity to target? Then inside of the range that has taken liquidity and has opposing liquidity to take. So if you look at this example on Euro NZD, we can see that price right here was forming a series of lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low. This is liquidation, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then a lower low. So from here, price first made a break of structure to the upside, break of structure, and then from there it made a change of character. Now we are going to ask ourselves, where did price take out any liquidity? When we look here, we can see that this range right here, has taken out this trend line liquidity before making a change of character. So this is what we count as our liquidation. Then also, where did price build opposing liquidity to take? We can see that price is forming a trend line liquidity as we speak. So that's our liquidity. Then simple market structure, liquidity to target. Well, since price has shifted, when we see something like this happening and price takes out the low, then we expect price to take out the second low when it fails to break the previous high, which is exactly what has happened here. You can see takes it out. If it fails to break this high, we expect this low right here to be taken out. So this is going to be our target. Then we look for order blocks inside of the range that has taken out liquidity, which is in this example either right here or right here. So we don't have to predict the future. We don't have to know from which order block price is going to react. We just have to watch, wait, and see where price comes into and gives us a confirmation entry. And from there we can trade. So when we look, price goes to the upside and comes in. We determine our structure from the 5-minute. Price was making a series of lows, higher high, higher low, 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 and a higher high, and it mitigated into our supply zone. So we expect it to break the previous low. Now it breaks our low and puts in a new low. So this is our change of character. Then we look what was the previous supply zone that put in that change of character. It's right here. So this is going to be our entry. I like to put my entry not on the order block, but on the imbalance fill, because that's typically where price will mitigate into. And then for our target is the weak low, which I previously marked out. Then we let price run. And what do we see happening? Again, right below our entry, we can see that price started building opposing liquidity to take. It's not necessary per se for my strategy, but it's a nice extra confirmation that you can use. Then when we let price play out, we see something else happening, because right here we see price started building these relative equal highs and then taking them out with this wick right here. So on the 5-minute, and it changed character. Change of character to the downside. which for me now is valid for a continuation entry. So imagine you missing this trade right here, or if you're in and you want to stack your orders and have a little more risk, we look what was the range that put in the change of character. It's right here. So entry gonna be at the low, stop loss right above the high, and we target our equal low once again. Then let's see if we get tapped in. Price taps us right in. And then it runs to our target. So with these 4 elements I just gave you, you can be profitable. I still highly encourage you to just go backtest this for yourself. You will see it works. If you like this video and you found it informative, I hope you subscribe to my channel and smash that like button as well. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.